All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their multifunctional USB charger. You can see here, this is 95 watts with 6 different USB ports. You get 3 5-volt 2.4 amp USB-A ports. You get a regular Type-C port, as well as 2 PD 35 watt USB-C ports. So not really anything around the box, and just the back 95 watt 6-port USB charger. So let's cut the seal here and open this on up. What do we have? That's it for the box. So it comes with a full power cable. So that's pretty nice. Just plug that into the wall, and then you would plug the other end in back here. Oh, very nice. Take off our plastic, and it even has this nice little stand. Ooh, it's like soft on the bottom, so it grips. This just pops right into place here, and that's kind of what it would look like from the front, from the side, and then like I said, you'd plug this in on the back and then plug it into the wall. It does have a little user's guide, which I mean just basically tells you everything I've told you. So this is really great for somebody who has a lot of products that they need to charge up at once. It gives you also a little bit of details here on the side, like a single port of the 5-volt 2 amps is charging at 12 watts, but all the details on charging is back here. You could have literally 6 items charging at once, and it would use up the whole 95 watts. Of course, if you have both of these going, that's going to be 70, and then it's going to leave a little bit for each one of these. So just totally depends on what devices you're plugging in. Newer iPhones and newer Android phones would charge faster on these 35 watt outlets. Of course, anything would charge good down here, from an Apple Watch to any kind of little camera or something like that. So that should essentially do it for this 95 watt 6-port USB charger. Thanks again to the company for sending it to us, and thank you all for watching. We will see you in the next one. Deuces.